Okay, on this video, we're going to look at how to find the y-intercept of the graph from a calculator. Now, typically this is relatively fast to find without the calculator, depending on how the equation is given to you. But just so you know how to do this on the calculator, it also helps you find any other value that you want. So if you're wondering what a particular value is, or if, like in function notation, if we want to find f of 5, right, this is how you would do that. So if we look at the equation, f of x equals 2 to the x minus 4 plus 5. Right, so we're going to type that into our calculator. Again, I'm already in y equals, so we're going to do 2 to the x minus 4, and then I'm going to move my cursor out of the exponent. If you're in the 83, you have to put parentheses around this so that it knows it's in the exponent. The 84 writes it kind of how we do it on paper, and then plus 5 like that. So we're going to hit graph. And then when I hit graph, we want to calculate the value of something. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go to second calc, and then we're going to click on value. So when I click on value, it prompts you for the x value. So if you're wanting the y-intercept, the x value of a y-intercept is at 0. So I hit 0, and then notice it gives me, put your cursor where it is, and it gives me the value. So this point would be 0.5.0625. If I would like to find a value of like 4, I don't have to go and do that same thing again. I can just keep it so that I just hit 4, and then I hit enter, so we've got the 0.46. So that is how you find any value. If we look at another equation, we're going to do 9x squared plus 5x minus 12. And then you can hit graph. And then if I want to find this y value, now on this one, our y-intercept, it looks like it's off of our graph, but as long as your x value is on the screen, you can find the value. So notice here, negative 12 is off of our graph, but it still will put it here. Notice if I went to 6, it's off of our graph, well off of our graph, because it's at 342. But as long as you can, the x value is visible, it will tell you what the y value is, which is a nice functionality. And that's how you find the y-intercept or any other value.